So if you've ever wanted to have some cool automated things happen in your life, in your business, such as your phone's changing settings based on when you get home, getting a list of quotes delivered to your inbox every day, or perhaps creating playlists in Spotify just by liking stuff in YouTube, you're going to want to check out IFTTT.com. Now, what is IFTTT.com? Explained simply, is a platform that allows different platforms, different tools, softwares to speak to each other when they originally had nothing to do with one another. And it uses the power of code, the power of technology to translate and take information from one place, translate it, and then put it into another platform for it to be usable in many different ways. And so it actually does it on a very automated basis. IFTTT.com is free to check out and use to a limit, of course, and you can go in, you can pay a little bit extra to get access to more functions and features. And I really think it's an amazing platform that can really add some utility to your life and your business. So make sure you go check it out. Go to IFTTT.com. I have no special affiliate link to give, or I'm not sponsored by them. Again, there'll also be a playlist that you can access some of the cool things that I love to do, and I would think you all may consider to use IFTTT.com for. And at the very least, make sure you try to say that website name 10 times fast and see how well you do it. Appreciate you. Make sure you share this. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have any problems with tech and you want us to take it over for you, make sure you check us out with automatewithease.com. I'll see you in the next video.